Friends, welcome to Edipom EdTech. You're watching expert chemistry lectures with Abhinav Gaur. Today in this lecture, we will study about the number of atoms, or we can say the number of particles present per unit cell. In previous lectures, we discussed what is a unit cell. So now we will understand how many number of atoms are present per unit cell. So first is the case of simple cubic crystal. In case of simple cubic crystal, we know that the lattice point, or we can say the atoms are present only at the corners, and each corner consists of an atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 atoms are present at the corners. Now, each atom which is present at the corner is shared between 8 other unit cells. Okay, each atom at the corner is shared between 8 unit cells. Let me show you a figure to understand this in a better way. So students, as you can see, for example, this is the upper part of atom and this is the lower part of the atom. So the upper part is divided into 4 different parts, whereas the lower part is also divided into 4 different parts, and each unit cell get this 1 and the 8th part of the unit of the lattice point, or we can say of the atom. Okay, so only the 1/8 part belongs to one atom, while all the other part is shared with other unit cells. Okay, so the contribution of each atom present at the corner is 1/8, and we know that total 8 atoms are present. So total the number of atom per unit cell will be 1 atom. Okay, so the number of atom present per unit cell in case of SCC, simple cubic crystal, is 1. Now in case of body centered cubic crystal, that means in case of BCC, we know that 1 atom is present at each corner. Okay, 1 atom is present at each corner, so there are 8 atoms present, and we know that the contribution of each atom present at the corner is 1/8. So total we get 1 atom from the corner. Now there is one more atom which is present at the center of body, and this atom is not shared with any unit cell. Okay, this atom is not shared with any other unit cell in all the direction. So the contribution of atom present at the center of body, the contribution is 100%, or we can say the contribution is 1. Okay, so there is one more atom which is present at the center of body. So in case of BCC, 2 atoms are present per unit cell. Please don't forget to mention the language if you are solving any question for CBSE or ISC examination. Now we have face centered cubic crystal. So in case of face centered cubic crystal, as we already discussed many times now, 1 atom is present at each corner. So there are 8 atoms at the corners, and contribution of each atom is again 1/8. So we get 1/8 multiplied by 8. That means 1 atom is contributed by the corners. Now in case of FCC, we have 6 faces, and each face consists of a unit of a lattice point. Okay, and for example, this is a face we are looking from this side. Okay, so if we are looking from this side, let us assume that this is the structure. Okay, this is the structure. So the lattice point which will be present at the face center will be shared between two unit cells. Okay, so the contribution of each atom present at the face is 1 by 2. That means it is 50%. Okay, so we have contribution which is equal to 1 by 2 and total 6 atoms are present on the faces. So we get 3 atoms contributed by the face. So total 4 atoms are present per unit cell in case of FCC, that means face centered cubic crystal. Now in case of N centered cubic crystal, we know that N-centered crystal is the better term. We know that in case of N-centered, one atom is present at each corner. So there are 8 atoms in total, and the contribution of each atom is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 multiplied by 8, again we get 1 atom from the corners. And other than this, we know two opposite faces, only two opposite faces consist of one atom or one lattice point, and the contribution of lattice point present at the face is 1 by 2. So we get 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, as there are lattice point or atoms at only two faces, two opposite faces. So we get one atom contributed from the face. Total we have 2 atoms per unit cell. Okay, so in case of end centered we get 2 atoms, in case of face centered we get 4 atoms, in case of body centered we get 2 atoms, and in case of simple cubic crystal we get only 1 atom per unit cell. This is all you need to know. Thank you.